The VSI Legacy Series sprayers are actually what we call smart connected. So you control the sprayer from a smartphone or a tablet inside the cab of the truck, meaning there's no wiring harness that goes from the sprayer to the truck battery and things like that. So very easy install. But what you do is you connect via Bluetooth. So not only can you open and close boom sections, set your application rate, you can run things like work and strobe lights, your hose reel, so you can do job tracking. So that's one thing that our sprayer does that other sprayers do not do. What you can do is you can enter a job name. It's going to track the amount of gallons that actually go through the sprayer, the boom itself, through the hose reel. It'll also give you a GPS coordinate of where that job is, your time you started, the time you stopped, and how many gallons you sprayed. So not only from a job tracking and cost tracking perspective from the contractor, it also helps in a liability situation where if there is a slip and fall, you have actual data to present to the customer to prove that you were actually on site.